Let's get ready to rumble!
Hey teacups, today I'm going to be showing you my natural curly hair routine using all products from NaturALL Club. Big thanks to NaturALL Club who helped me to make this video. What I love about this company is that it's a Black women-owned business with exceptional handmade quality products that actually work. All ingredients are made of natural fruits and oils, so they treat dry, damaged, or dull hair. And today I'm going to be using their full avocado collection with dry hair solution. If you want to find out what I'll be giving away, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. Alright, let's hop right into the tutorial. Let's go. So I'm starting off with my deep conditioner from NaturALL Club. Their deep conditioner is fresh, all natural avocado based deep conditioners, and on the directions it says to freeze this product until use and thaw out for 20 minutes before you decide to use it. I'm actually going to be adding some of this pure avocado oil from the line as well into my mixture and mix that up. So as you guys can see, my hair is really dry, but that's why I like the NaturALL Club products, because when mixed with the right oils, the avocados in the product act as a moisturizer for dry, dull, or damaged hair. Fun fact about fresh avocados, they also contain vitamin B, which is essential for hair growth. So if you're looking for some hair growth, these are definitely going to be the products for you. So I'm going to start off by cleansing my dirty, smelly hair with the NaturALL Club's cleansing avocado shampoo. I do not deep condition on dirty scalp, so you definitely want to make sure that you shampoo prior. I then massage the shampoo directly onto my scalp and I rinse. After, I'm going to prep for my deep conditioning.
Perfect.
By sectioning my hair into 4 sections, and then we're going to take the deep conditioner and apply that evenly throughout each section. After this, I usually just put a plastic cap over my head for about 20 minutes, which I don't know why I couldn't find my cap for this video, but that's okay. And I just let this sit for a while on my head while I'm finishing up my shower. So I just shower, let this sit. Once that's sat for about 20 minutes, I'm going to be taking my sections down and rinsing that out a bit. And I'm going to add my hydrating avocado conditioner from this collection. So I do a lot of like conditioning in my routine, again, because my hair always gets so dry. So once I've let that sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, I rinse that out and I move into my Nourishing Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. Again, I'm conditioning again. I love these products because each product, again, is for my dry hair. It's very moisturizing and I want as much moisture in my hair as possible. These products definitely do the job. So once I've done all my conditioning, my conditioner, my leave-in, my deep conditioner, we're going to move on to the styling product. So this is my hair with absolutely no styling product yet. And these products left my hair so shiny, as you can see. My hair was air drying, so I'm going to take this spray bottle to re-wet my hair a bit. And I'm going to go back in applying some more of my leave-in. And I'm taking my dimming brush to detangle and define my curls. Now I'm going in with my medium hold avocado curl custard. I love that this custard doesn't leave a crunch in my hair because I've had other custards that actually have done that to my hair. But this one actually leaves my hair super soft, super fluffy, and I love it. It kind of reminds me of like applesauce too. So I'm raking this evenly throughout my hair. So I like to rake this evenly throughout my hair and kind of scrunch it in a bit. Now that I've applied all of my products into my hair, I like to seal everything. And I'm going to seal everything by going back in and using my pure avocado oil that I used earlier in my deep condition. And again, I'm applying that evenly throughout my curls. I usually air dry my hair for about 2 hours, but for the sake of this video, we are going to be diffusing. I kind of regret diffusing in this video because, like I said, I usually air dry, but for the purpose of this video, I diffused. So once I've diffused my hair, I fluff out my curls a bit. I'm just going in with some Eco Styler gel and smoothing down my edges with my dimming brush. And that's how I get these flawless natural curls. So now on to the giveaway. One of my lucky subscribers will be winning their own NaturALL Club box. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and submit your name and email into the Google form link that I will have below in the description box, and share this video somewhere like Twitter or Facebook. And if you don't win, don't worry, just use my discount code NaturALL Takara for 10% off your order at NaturALL Club. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I will see you at the top.